Hello, hi girls, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Okay, how are you today? I hope you are always in high motivation to learn, because today we are going to learn the new chapter, which is chapter 4. And the title of the chapter 4 is Transport in Plants, alright? Okay. So in this chapter, there is a 4 main subtopic you have to cover, right? Okay, so for today, we are going to learn 4.1 vascular tissues. Okay, so these are the learning standards that you have to cover for today. Okay, number 1, justify the necessity of transport in plants. Okay, number 2, relate structural adaptation of xylem vessel and trachea to transport water and mineral salts. Okay, number 3, relate the structural adaptation of sieve tube and companion cells to the transportation of organic substance. Okay, so these are the 3 learning standards that you have to cover for today. Okay, we look at the necessity of transport in plants. Okay, plants are multicellular, which are formed from cells that need water and nutrients. The large and tall size of plants creates a total surface area that is insufficient for the plant to absorb its basic from surrounding. To overcome this problem, plants have vascular tissues to transport water, mineral salts, and nutrients to all the cell. Okay, that is a necessity of transport in plants. Okay, next we go to the vascular tissues. Okay, vascular tissues can be divided into xylem and phloem. Okay, so what is the function of the xylem? Xylem transport water and mineral salts absorbed by the root to the stem and leaf. Okay, what about the phloem? Transport organic compounds which are synthesized by the leaf through photosynthesis to the stem and root. Okay, so make sure you already memorize the function of xylem and phloem. Okay, so that is a vascular tissues. Okay, plants which have a transport system are known as vascular plant. Any plants that have a transport system known as vascular plants, such as hibiscus plant, balsam plant, durian tree, mango tree, and so on. Okay, plants that don't have any transport system are known as non-vascular plants. Okay, such as alga and moss. Later, please find more information about alga and moss. Okay, now we look at the vascular tissues. Okay, the structure of the vascular tissues in plant. Okay, so these are the cross section of stem. Cross section of the stem. Okay, so we focus today here. So these are referred to the vascular bundles. Vascular bundles consist of xylem, cambium, and phloem. Okay, so these are the structure of the xylem. So these are the structure of the xylem. Xylem consists of xylem vessels and trachea. Okay, so these are the structure of the cambium, and this one refer to the structure of phloem. Phloem consists of sieve tube and companion cells. Okay, so that is referred to the vascular tissues of the plant. Consists of xylem and phloem. Okay, next we move to the structural adaptation of xylem vessels and tracheids to transport water and mineral salts. Okay, xylem vessel and tracheids are the structure of the xylem. Okay, other than transporting water and mineral salts absorbed by the roots to the stem and leaf, xylem also responsible to provide mechanical support to the plant. Xylem also responsible to provide mechanical support to the plant. Okay, how does the structure of xylem adapt to its function? Okay, so let's discuss this figure. Okay, so these are referred to the structure of the xylem. Yeah, xylem consists of xylem vessel and trachea. Okay, all of these are trachea. Okay, so these are the xylem vessel and trachea. You can see here, this one, okay, this one refer to the xylem and this one also refer to the trachea. Okay, make sure you can differentiate between the xylem vessel and the trachea. Okay, next we go to the function of xylem vessel and trachea structure. Okay, xylem vessel. Xylem vessel consists of dead cell at maturity to which do not have cytoplasm. Okay, xylem vessel is a dead cell. Okay, why dead cell? Because do not have cytoplasm. Okay, these cells are arranged longitudinally from end to end to form a continuous tube, yeah, to allow water flow from the root to the leaf. Okay, so these are referred to the xylem vessel, yeah, that are arranged longitudinally, yeah, from end to end, yeah, and form continuous tube, yeah, continuous tube, yeah, to allow water flow. Okay, the walls of the xylem vessel have uneven lignin thickening. Yeah, do you still remember what is the lignin? Lignin is referred to the complex substance, yeah, that deposited on the cell walls that make the cell, the plant rigid and woody. Because of the presence of the lignin, so it will give strength to xylem vessels to prevent them from collapsing due to the tension force and pressure changes, yeah, when the water moves through it. Okay, give strength to the xylem vessel. Okay, then to prevent the plant from being bent, right? Okay, so that is referred to the xylem vessel. Okay, trachea. A trachea, the cell wall of the trachea also has lignin thickening. Yeah, it also has lignin thickening and pits. Yeah, pits refer to the small pore here. Yeah, the small pore here. Okay, dia adalah lubang-lubang yang sangat kecil, ya, yang sangat halus. Ya. So these pits allow water move to the adjacent cells. Okay, so that is the structure of xylem vessel and trachea. Okay, now we go to the structural adaptation of sieve tubes and companion cells to transport of organic substance. Yeah, sieve tube and companion cells are the structure of the phloem. Alright, okay. Phloem tissues transport and distribute dissolved organic compounds such as sucrose, amino acid, and plant hormones, yeah, to all parts of the plant. So unlike xylem, phloem is a living cell. Okay, why it is a living cell? Because it has cytoplasm. Yeah, it has cytoplasm, yeah, in the cell. Okay, so these are referred to the phloem. Yeah, so these are referred to the phloem. Okay, this is referred to the companion cell. Okay, so the structure of the phloem. Okay, you can see here the structure of the phloem. So these are referred to the sieve tube. The whole thing here is a sieve tube. Yeah, sieve tube consists of the sieve plate and also perforation plate here. Yeah, okay, sieve plate and also perforation plate here. Okay, it has a pits also. Yeah, alright. These are companion cells. Yeah? So these are referred to the companion cells. Yeah? As you can look here. So companion cells with dense cytoplasm. Yeah? So the whole thing here is sieve tube. Yeah? Sieve tube. Okay. And then this is a sieve plate. Okay. Next, we go to the how do sieve tubes and companion cells adapt to their functions. Yeah? Okay. So first, sieve tube do not have nuclei, ribosome or vacuoles. Yeah, okay. This allows sucrose molecule to pass through sieve tube easily. Okay, so sieve tube do not have any nucleus, any ribosome or any vacuoles, right? Okay, then number 2, on both ends of the sieve tube there is a sieve plate. Yeah, so these are referred to the sieve plate. Yeah, sieve plate. So this is sieve plate. Yeah, sieve plate that has pores. Yeah, through which organic compounds can flow from one sieve tube to the next. Alright, okay. So adaptation 2 is there is a sieve plate on the sieve tube. Alright. Then the third one, companion cells contain mitochondria to provide energy in the form of ATP to transport sucrose from the leaf to the sieve tube through active transport. Right? Okay, companion cells contain mitochondria to provide energy. Right? So that is referred to the adaptation of the sieve tube and companion cells of the flowworm. Okay. So that's all for the 4.1, yeah, vascular tissues. Okay, I hope you all can understand. Yeah. Okay, please read again and again until you all understand. Okay, that's all for today, girls. Have a nice day. Thank you.